Hi, I'm Jay, and this is the AprilAire 213 pleated filter media. Detailed installation instructions are located on the back of the box. This filter slides onto the rails in your existing air cleaner cabinet. The media cleans the air as it passes through your air cleaner, removing the harmful particles that circulate through your home. New filter media is crucial for maintaining air quality and reducing negative effects of allergens such as pollen, dust, and pet dander. The filter media is not cleanable. It must be replaced a minimum of twice a year, once in the heating season and again in the cooling season. If your home only has heating, the filter must be replaced annually. Please note, if you have shedding pets or live in a dusty environment, you'll need to replace the filter media more often. Failure to replace your filter can result in reduced heating and cooling efficiency, high energy bills, expensive repairs, or total equipment failure. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.